Guys, with some insane information in today's video that you're not going to want to miss, we've got a lot to be discussing. I'm also going to be doing a technical analysis to see if cryptos are headed up or down, so you're definitely going to want to stick around until the end of the video. What's up guys, I'm Joel and I'm an expert at technical analysis. With 13 years experience as a successful day trader, I call out huge plays before they even happen, and I'm very accurate as you've seen in my previous videos. Due to high demand, I now offer my buy and sell trade signals, and if you haven't joined my Patreon already, it's incredibly inexpensive and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment, and that's how you get my buy and sell trade signals. As I watch the charts throughout the day on a lot of the top cryptos, I wait for that steep dip. That rare time to buy in when all the whales have sold out, when there's only about 5 or 10 minutes to get in. I let you guys know when I'm ready to buy and sell so that you guys can as well, when we've at least made 20 to 30% profits, oftentimes double or more. I go over your portfolio and a lot of other services. Guys, it doesn't matter if you only have $50 or $100 to invest, it's never too little. And congratulations to all my patrons who have been taking my buy and sell trade signals, because we've made a lot of money. With the #1 profiting community on Patreon, you're gonna want to get in fast before the price goes up and before all spots fill up, because I have to cut it off at a certain point or else we're gonna muddy the waters. And if you don't already have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment. If you use that link and deposit any amount, even just 1 penny, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $2,300 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. So see how much you win. And if you love cryptocurrencies, tap that like button, subscribe with the bell rung. It really does help with the growth of the channel. And guys, what are you currently holding and what do you want to hold more of? Let me know in the comments down below and why. Guys, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. It's simply my opinion based on my experience and software. And if you also want a chance at more free money, if you use my I Trust Capital link in the top pinned comment and fund any account, you get $100 worth of Bitcoin for free. Guys, with some of the biggest sell-offs since the beginning of November, we had the Asian markets having sold the most cryptos. However, based on the charts in the RSI, we can see that we're undersold, therefore we have reached the bottom of the markets, and we're likely to recover and head up straight from here. However, something fascinating is that the United States whales have been buying the dip on Bitcoin ever since it tapped 70K and dropped from there. It's very clear at this point that Asia has been forcefully, intentionally crashing the market for cryptos because they have their own cryptocurrency that they want to introduce and they want it to reign supreme. Guys, this is completely normal because with every peak we must have a dip, and with every dip we must have a peak. That volatility is what allows us to make so much money time and time again on my Patreon, because we can get in at those steep dips when they're steep enough and then sell when we reach our cycle top. So don't freak out, never have paper hands literally selling out, handing your money on over to the millionaire, billionaire whales, but rather hold with diamond hands and never sell for less than you bought in for. Because guys, the cryptos that I go over have recovered time and time again, otherwise I wouldn't be discussing them. Now overall, the cryptocurrency market is heading up and still on its bull run. And that's why the biggest crypto experts out there, including myself, have so much confidence in the crypto market space. And as Bitcoin dumps, it allows for altcoin season to come into play, and for the altcoins to pump, guys, giving them the chance. Because altcoins historically outperform Bitcoin and Ethereum historically outperforms Bitcoin. And the good news is when Bitcoin does start to pump very hard once again, the altcoins will then follow, and guys, that includes Ethereum. Guys, some huge news. An article came out titled, "Elon Musk gives Dogecoin another life." But Doge is bent on triggering another 50K crash. Dogecoin's price is at an inflection point at 16 cents, and a simple nudge could trigger a catastrophic correction. Although Elon Musk's tweet alleviated the short-term bearish outlook, a steep sell-off to only 8 cents seems very likely. So guys, you want to be ready for that dip with some cash on the side. However, this thesis would be invalidated if Dogecoin does go above 21 cents. The way I know that a bounce is coming for not only Bitcoin but the crypto market to follow up along with it is because on the charts, I see a consolidation ascending triangle formation, and when it gets to the end of that, when it gets to its apex, it inevitably has to bounce up or bounce down, and I believe that it'll head straight up since we're still on our bull run. So you want to be ready for that as well. You want to be positioned very well for this huge bounce to come. We will get another dip before this huge bounce, and that's why I'm sharing this pertinent information with you in today's video, to give you this opportunity, and it may very well be a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to get in at this price while prices of cryptos are literally less than half of their actual worth, in the infancy stages of cryptos still before the mass adoption occurred, which could happen literally any second now. And guys, as we take a look at the crypto chart, we can see that we have a clear and consistent uptrend, headed up from this dip right here, where we had our double bottom, which is incredibly bullish, and that's why we headed up straight from here. And guys, as you can see right now, a bit of a concerning period where a lot of people are worried. They're concerned, having paper hands and selling out. But like I said, don't do that, because you must have confidence in the marketplace and the top cryptos that I go over and discuss. Because right here, we see our ascending triangle having formed, and we're now reaching our apex. Guys, we're likely to get another bottom here very, very soon for me to call it out. So you want to be sure to have some cash on the side for when I do call that out. And then after that, shortly after, we'll be able to call out the cycle top, where you can sell and rake in your profits. So guys, if you haven't joined my Patreon already, it's incredibly inexpensive and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment, and that's how you get my buy and sell trade signals. And if you don't already have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment. If you use that link and deposit any amount, even just 1 penny, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $2,300 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. So see how much you win. And guys, if you love cryptocurrencies, tap that like button, subscribe with the bell rung, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.